Hello guys, welcome back to the online help guide. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to install the SafePal app. Start by opening the Play Store on your device. Hit the search bar at the top. Then type SafePal app. This is the app that we're going to be downloading. To initiate the installation process, just tap on the install icon. Make sure your internet connection is stable before installing. Let it begin downloading now. When the download is finished, tap Open. Tap on the Agree Term box at the bottom. Then tap on Get Started. Now, by following the instructions, you may now register or log in to access the application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.